Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, can you travel through Georgia with a gun in your car? The short answer is yes, absolutely, but you need to understand the rules because Georgia is one of the most permissive states in the country when it comes to firearms. Georgia is a constitutional carry state. This simply means that if you are legally allowed to possess a firearm under federal and state law, you can carry it, either openly or concealed, without needing a permit. This law applies directly to your vehicle. For a law-abiding citizen, your car is treated as an extension of your home. You can have a loaded handgun in your glove compartment, in the center console, on the seat next to you, or tucked away in a door pocket. There's no specific requirement for it to be unloaded or in a locked case as long as you are legally allowed to have it in the first place. Now, who is a lawful weapons carrier? Generally, this means you are 21 years or older, or 18 if you're in the military, and you are not prohibited from owning a firearm by law. This means no felony convictions, you're not under a restraining order, and you meet all other standard federal disqualifiers. If you're just passing through Georgia, you also have protection under federal law, specifically the Firearm Owners Protection Act, or FOPA. This law allows you to transport a firearm through states where it might otherwise be illegal, provided you're just passing through. Under FOPA, the firearm must be unloaded, and both the gun and the ammunition must be stored in a place that is not readily accessible, like in a locked container in the trunk. While Georgia's own laws are much more lenient than this, relying on FOPA is a good backup if you're traveling a multi-state route. It's also critical to know where you still cannot have a gun, even in your car. This includes places like school zones, courthouses, government buildings, polling places on election day, and nuclear power facilities. Also, private property owners can still prohibit firearms, so always look for signs. What if you get pulled over? Georgia does not have a duty to inform law. This means you are not legally required to volunteer to a police officer that you have a firearm in the vehicle. However, if an officer asks you if you have any weapons, you must answer truthfully. The best advice is to remain calm, keep your hands on the steering wheel, and follow the officer's instructions. Now for a very important disclaimer, I am not a lawyer and this is not legal advice. Gun laws can be complex and are subject to change. You should always do your own research and verify the current laws before you travel. Thanks for watching. I hope this information gave you some clarity on traveling through Georgia with a firearm. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. It really helps us out. Stay safe out there.